Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic present perfect. Okay, in my last video I taught you about the structure of present continuous and usage of present continuous. Now in today's video I am going to tell you about present perfect. Okay. Present perfect. Okay. When subject I, we, you, they and any plural thing, then we should apply have plus third form of verb. Okay. When subject he, she, it, any name and any singular thing, then we should apply has plus third form of verb. Okay. Structure of present perfect. In simple sentence, he has written a letter. Subject has oblique have, third form of verb plus object. If we write in place of he, I, then we should write have in place of has. Okay. I have already mentioned you that when subject I, we, you, they, any plural thing, we should mention have plus third form. Rest of other subjects we should apply has plus third form. Here in this sentence he is subject, that's why I have written has. Okay. Negative I have not written a letter. Now you can easily understand that here is subject I, that's why I have written have. If I write any name in place of I, then we should write has not have. Okay. Subject has, have plus not plus third form plus object. Interrogative has he written a letter. Okay. After that interrogative mark. Has, have plus subject plus third form of verb plus object. Interrogative plus negative. Has he not written a letter? Okay. Has, have plus subject plus not plus third form of verb plus object, interrogative mark. This is the structure for simple sentence of present perfect. This is the structure for negative sentence of present perfect. This is the structure for interrogative sentence of present perfect. This is the structure for interrogative plus negative sentence of present perfect. Okay. After helping verbs and structure of present perfect, now I am going to tell you about usage of present perfect. Usage of present perfect. What are the usage of present perfect? Usage of present perfect. This tense is used with the words already, never, ever, so far, etc. Example, I already paid my fee. Okay. To express an action which has been finished in the recent past, we have won the match. Sometime to express the continuity of an action. Example, Rahul is a poet. He has written 10 poems so far. Okay. In today's video, I have told you about the helping verbs of present perfect. Helping verbs has, have. When subject I, we, you, they, any plural thing, we should apply have. Rest of all subjects we should apply has plus third form. After that, we have discussed about the structure of present perfect. Simple structure, negative structure, interrogative plus negative. Okay. After that, we have discussed about usage of present perfect. This tense is used with the words already, never, ever, so far, etc. After that, there is an example. The second use is to express an action which has been finished in the recent past. This is the example. Sometime to express the continuity of an action. This is the example. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Okay.